Hi guys, we will see how to temporarily disable McAfee antivirus, firewall and related service in this video. When we are installing any unknown softwares or when you're downloading from the internet, we will get some alert and McAfee will automatically delete that file. We can't able to download also those times if you disable that McAfee temporarily, then you can utilize that software or file which you want. So let we see how to do those steps. The first thing is we have to disable firewall and antivirus. For that, if you go to the system tray, the icon will be there. Otherwise, you can go to the McAfee. You can go to start and you can type McAfee. So, so now just go to system tray and you can right click. You can see change settings. Go to real time scanning first, and if you want to turn off that, I can see turn off button. Just click on that and you can give whatever how much time you want. And now I am giving never. Whenever I need it, I will enable that. So I am giving never now. So turn off, it is turned off. Similar to that, we have to go to McAfee and right click change settings and firewall. So I'm turning off. You can I am giving never. You can give how much time you want. Turn off that. So both the things are turned off. Now you can see McAfee is in gray, so it is disabled now. Even though it is disabled in the background, some background McAfee application will be running in the PC. So let us show that if it is running, what will happen. So go to Google and I am just typing some software, Microsoft Toolkit. So when I am entering into the site, so McAfee is still running some services on the background. So it is showing that this site is somewhat risky. You want to accept that risk. So to disable these things on that services are running in the background, just go to the start menu. Just type and type ms config and go to the services. First you have to hide all Microsoft services, and if you scroll down you can see some services running on the PC. Just disable all the services. Just click OK. So this will be affected once we do restart. So after restart we will check that software. So now the PC has been restarted. If you check the McAfee icon, it has been so still real-time scanning is off, and go to firewall. Firewall also turned off. You can able to see, and now we disable all the services, and you can do one more thing also. Go to settings and view all settings. Then go to home and PC security. So here automatic updates are there. You can turn off that also temporarily. and schedule scan also will be there. You can, if it is turned on, you can turn it off. So now almost we disable all the services and antivirus, firewall, everything in the McAfee temporarily. So now we'll check in the Google Chrome the same software whether we are getting any risk alert from McAfee. So Microsoft Toolkit. I'm clicking the same website. So McAfee didn't give any alert. So now I can able to go to that website without any risk alert. So now you can able to download whatever software you want and whatever software you want to run in that PC. So once you use that software and you can enable that all the services. So all the things over, you can enable all the settings to avoid the risk of virus. Go to real-time scanning, turn on, and go to firewall. You can turn it on and go to home, PC security. You can turn on updates, and in the PC security, if you want schedule scan, you can switch on that. And we also disabled some services of McAfee. Just we will enable it again. Go to service, hide all Microsoft services now, and some services are disabled. You can enable it. Other things are okay. So just apply and okay, and it will be affect after restart. Yeah, that's it, guys. You can try that. Still, you are facing any technical issue for disabling the McAfee antivirus temporarily. Provide your queries in the below comments. I will help you out. And please subscribe for the channel. Then you will get more technical updates in this channel. Thank you, guys.